Hey, John Sonmez from SimpleProgrammer.com. I've got a question here from Harry. I think maybe it's Hari. Let's go with Hari. I think Hari is probably Hari. Anyway, Hari asked me this question about basically he's a perfectionist and he wants to know kind of how can he still learn software development. So I'll just read you what he said here. He says, "Hi, John. I'm a manual tester since 7 years. No agile or automation experience. In the last 2 years, my financial commitments doubled with no change in my salary. And when I realized the only way to come out of this situation is learn programming, become an automation engineer, preferably Selenium, I thought of learning Java initially. But as people said, it's very complicated. I started learning Python, but left that in between. Don't ask me why. Now, it's been a while, and now I am back to square one, and this time I've decided to learn Java, and a cousin of mine pointed me to Pluralsight, and that's how I am writing here to you." I guess you probably saw my Pluralsight video on Java. "I believe my basic problem is that I started learning something from some source, but then I got stuck and lose confidence and motivation to learn when I don't understand something. I know it sounds silly and doesn't make sense, but I have perfectionism problem. I can't do or progress in something unless I clearly understand it, and I'm sorry for taking your time, but could you please guide me in learning and becoming a test automation engineer? After going through a few of your articles, I somehow strongly believe that guidance in this would change my life, so please, please, please reply back. Good luck and take care. Thanks for your time, Hari." So, Hari, sorry for taking so long to get back to you, but it's a good question. I'm trying to think about how to address your problem best. I'm a bit of a perfectionist at times. It's kind of weird. I think we all can kind of have that tendency, but we have to get things done. And okay, let me put it this way. The path to most things worth accomplishing is messy. It's not live in our OCD clean environments and have everything go perfectly. We just have to realize that it's messy. It's bloody. You're going to not know things. You're going to know things wrong. You're going to half know things. You're going to struggle through things. And then finally you're going to climb up to the top of the mountain. You're going to look down and it's all going to seem so simple and so clear. You have to have faith in that process. You have to have faith in the process. You have to know that it's going to take time. And it's not going to be that, there's no staircase that's got some nice concrete steps that go up to the top of the mountain, of the summit. You gotta climb up there in the blizzard. You gotta, find your way, and you gotta backtrack and go on switchbacks and get your climbing gear out, and it's messy, and you're gonna get attacked by mountain goats. But no, seriously, it is going to be a difficult process. Here's what you need to do. You've got a goal. It's good. Most people don't have a goal, right? You want to become an automation engineer. Selenium, good. Sounds good. Learn Java. Okay, learn Java for a purpose, right? Just learning Java in general. This is where it becomes hard. It's like, oh, I don't quite get this. I don't understand, because you're not trying to build something. You're not trying to do something. Start with learning test automation, with learning Selenium. Okay, and then work backwards and fill in the gaps that you have, which will require you to learn Java if you're going to automate it with Java. Right, then you'll have a reason to learn Java. It'll make more sense. You'll have a clearer path to get there. Now, you're going to quickly get to the point where you're going to need to know some Java to understand it. But when you get to that point, then just realize that, just have faith in the process. You are a human being. You're smart. You're capable. If you can type an email to me, you can learn Java. Lots of people, right? Do they do something magical, something super? No, they just sit there and they study and they write code. If you devote a certain number of hours, right, your brain will automatically do what it needs to do. It will learn you some Java, right? It will do that for you. So just have faith in that process. Have faith in your ability to learn it. Start backwards from the Selenium, but devote the time. If you put, let me put it this way. Let's say you put 1 hour a day worth of time into learning Java, and plan this out, what you're going to do with that hour. Try to be active in doing it, like do actually writing code, not just reading a book. If you do that and you work on it, and you're working on trying to learn Selenium, to learning Java for a purpose of being able to do Selenium, what is it gonna take you? I would be surprised if you honestly devote an hour a day. In 2 months, you're gonna be pretty dang good. You're gonna think you know Java better than you actually do know Java, and that will be a whole nother problem, right? Because you'll have this beginner's overconfidence. But trust me, you will get to that point. It's just going to take time. I mean, at the very worst case, right? If you spend an hour a day for a whole year, 265 hours, you're going to learn Java. You're going to learn you some Java, and you're going to be good at it. Just have faith in the process. Don't worry about where you are. There's a thing you got to learn how to do in life, which is that you plan, you come up with the plan, and then you stick to the plan, and you don't worry about the results. You don't look back. You don't look down, right? You keep climbing, and you don't look down. Only at a specified interval do you look down and evaluate. If you're constantly looking down when you're trying to climb up, what is going to happen? You're going to go down. You're going to fall down. So look up. Keep looking up. Don't look down. Wait till you get to, come up with the plan, execute the plan, get there. You're going to do it. Trust me. I want you to email me back and let me know when you have your job, doing test automation, or when you know Java and you're confident you need some help. I'll try to help you with the next step in getting a job there. But learn Java, learn you some Java. You can do it. Don't give up. 1 hour a day. Focus, focus, focus. Don't look down. All right. Well, I hope that helps you, Hari. And if this video helped you, if you're watching this video, subscribe to the channel. I could use more subscribers. We spread the word. Share it if you like. Take care.